Hey, Will here, Site Pro Home Inspections, doing a phase inspection. We're doing pre-drywall, so we're catching everything before it all gets covered up. This here is the guest bathroom. We're checking for striker plates, protecting lines. They did good in that. Coming to the back side of the toilet behind the wall. Oh, supply lines are not secure. Sitting water, so
carry on, who cares what the naysayers say? It's Saturday night, get carried away. Carry on, can't carry nothing with you, and it won't be long till it's 6 carrying you home.